we're removing this radiator, putting a full width one in, and we're going to do all the hoses because we've got a kit for that, and then take off this fan on the front and then basically fill it back up, and hopefully it'll sort the temperature issue out. These cars seem to really run really hot, and it's not very nice to drive when you just look at the temperature gauge all the time. Yeah, so I guess we just take off these metal sides, and it's gonna bolt on where these struts come down here.
That's it.
That'd be nice once that's in.
Obviously goes that way.
Well, it's upside down, isn't it? You've got it on. But yeah, it'll just bolt onto where these are. We'll just have to unbolt this.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, cool. We'll get this drained. New full width radiator from Canley Classics. I bet that's even older than the car, isn't it? We wouldn't do this.
Tell you what, the spring doesn't. Hang on.
Right, yeah. I might have to take that top one off. There we are. Oh, wrong way.
You inevitably always go the wrong way when you finish. I don't know why that is.
I don't know what you mean. Oh, you've got the thermostat.
Right. Oh, that's a bit of a body. There's the screw crest.
Yeah, it's in it still. Which one's longer?
This one. It's a longer bolt.
That's on the closest side. That's your gasket. That comes off easy.
The old gasket. There you go.
Saw that off maybe.
Yeah.
Shall we check what hoses we've got?
Yeah.
Just so we know we're not missing anything. I know I've seen that one.
Well, that's that one.
So I can stay there.
And I take it this is that one.
The bottom hose. Yeah, that must be it. Yeah, that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. No.
What's the next move now, mate?
I reckon next move is let's bolt this off.
Bulk up, we can lift so off in one lump.
Well, you see this, we can just unclip that. No more fan. That needs cutting off. Hang on, I've got a knife here. Go sort that out.
So it's just one wire underneath, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all it needs. It's got loads of stuff.
Just under this earth here.
Yeah. 1 second. Is that connected to the radio?
Yes, yeah.
No, I didn't realise that. That's it. So cut that off. That's full up, that.
Can you pull that out?
Yeah. I'm just going gingerly so it doesn't go everywhere. Oh, yeah.
I'll take that off when I get the radiator out.
Yeah. Just try and get
away.
it. Over it.
That's rotating, so.
One down. We can maybe leave that. Oh, here we go. There we go. No fan.
How do you do that?
Well, there's a connect to this side. So, no.
Yippee-ki-yay. Bloody yay.
Bit of room in there now, isn't there?
Bunch of room now. Handles it.
Little fan wiring.
Look at the size of that radiator.
It's tiny, isn't it?
Nothing in it.
Yeah, that should keep it cool, shouldn't it?
I should think so.
It's got the heater control valve down there, so we've got to flip this throttle. How do you do that? It's already on hot. We pour out now. I'm just trying to get it down this top vent down here. Just trying to make sure it goes round here.
Yeah,
That looks pretty clear, doesn't it? I'm sure it's had a good flush. Looks nice and clear.
Just before we put it on, all them caps can be off, pull off.
No, they're dead easy. I think I've had them off. Yeah, that'll be easy enough.
Offer it up to the machine. Now they say it fits in.
Sure, it'll slide in
Uh,
like a glove. Oh yeah, look at that.
Blooming glove.
It's great, isn't it?
That looks close to that.
It does look close to that, doesn't it? Hang on, is that going to clear that?
I should imagine so. The other one did, didn't it?
Before it goes on, let's offer it up.
Sounds like that. Oh, it's mess it right now, won't it?
Yeah, it'll be fine. Although, is this actually in the right place? Ah, radiator's not the right place, I don't think.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think it's just a bit.
Yeah, but
It'll be alright.
right, mate.
So far, got the new radiator in, cleaned up the thermostat housing, and weirdly it didn't have one in it, which is a bit of a worry, but maybe it won't matter now we've got a wider radiator. But it was still getting warm, so unless the voltage regulator's gone on the car, but we'll find out soon enough anyway. Dad's just been cleaning up this overfill bottle, and he made a bracket for the extra hoses that drain off down here, so he's just going to fit this one, just clean that one up, and then we're good to go. I'm gonna probably just replace this hose and the top bottom hoses and put the thermostat in and then refill it up. Bloody hell. Big lad. Oh no, don't. Oh, it's easy enough. Got one on. Oh, that looks totally different, doesn't it? That might have been giving you wrong readings and stuff. Nice. Just step over this wheel.
That's got it can step.
Oh no. It's nice, isn't it? Mint.
Now is it hexagonal?
They are, yeah.
They were better for tightening up. Put the gasket seal on there, don't you? The long one was here.
I'll just put it on.
Oh.
What's it on?
Must have been a mathematical formula for
Was it miss?
working it out.
I guess that one wants to come up here a bit more, doesn't it? It's funny, isn't it, that?
Have we got it on a ratchet?
Oh.
Come on. Come on. It's getting involved in the garages, don't you? Eh? They're messing with cars. Are they?
There we go. Getting involved in the tools.
It's on. So there's a ridge.
Right. Tell me have a quick look. I'll let you do that one first. Cold at the moment. Oh, yeah, that's hot. Must have cracked it.